Hey, this is Robert with a automotive quick tip. Like, share, subscribe, comment. Thanks for watching. Here is the bolts and how long they are to go into the transmission. This bolt here is at, I guess for lack of a better thing, say 1 o'clock, and I'm going counterclockwise on these bolts. So that's the 1 o'clock bolt, that's the 11 o'clock bolt, that's the 10 o'clock bolt. These are 2 starter bolts. All 5 of these bolts go in from the driver's side to the passenger side. Then below this starter bolt, the bolts start going in from the passenger side toward the driver's side. These first 2 bolts, this is right under the starter, and this is under that big mount. Then you got this one odd size bolt that goes on the front of the bottom of the engine, like behind the torque mount. Then this one is on the back of the lower oil pan. And then you got 3 bolts that go up, back up toward the start. So this one, I would say, is, from looking at the driver's side, this is 9 o'clock, this is 8 o'clock, this is 7 o'clock, this is 5 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 2 o'clock. Those are your bolts. Now I got 3 I need to get off this mount, and this transmission is ready to come off. It'll take 2 of us to lift it off of here. Hopefully the torque converter will come with it. So let me get back here and find these 3 bolts that hold this mount in. These 3 bolts right here. 1, 2, 3. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.